Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here today. Your presence means more than you know. It tells me that you believe, like I do, that our community, our future, and our nation deserve leaders who listen, leaders who care, and leaders who act. And that is what brings us together at this important moment. Today, I am not here to make promises that vanish after the applause fades. I am here to begin a real conversation about the kind of future we want and the kind of future we can build together. We live in a time of enormous challenge but enormous possibilities. Our world is moving fast, technology is changing, jobs are changing, the climate is changing, and through all of this one thing remains constant. The need for leadership that focuses on people first. Leadership that listens to the needs of families, student farmers, senior citizens, and every person who calls this place home. For too long, people have felt unheard. They've seen rising prices, rising uncertainty, and rising frustration. They've seen leaders who talk about progress but don't bring progress to the people who need it most. That is why this campaign exists to put people back at the center of government, where they belong. My vision is simple: a society where opportunity is real, where hard work is rewarded, and where no one is left behind. And today, I want to talk about five central priorities that will guide this campaign and guide our vision for the future. Number one, opportunity for all. For many, opportunities still feels out of reach. Too many young people are uncertain about their future. Too many workers are stuck in jobs that don't value their skills, and too many families struggle to keep up with the rising cost of living. We must build an economy that works for everyone, not just the people at the top, not just the people with connections, but every single person willing to hard work. That means supporting small businesses because they are the backbone of our communities. That means investing skills training, technology, and education so our workers can compete and succeed in changing world. It means creating a fairer economy where every person has the chance to achieve stability, success, and dignity. Opportunity should not be a privilege, it should be a guarantee. Here's come number two. Quality education for every student. Education is not just about classrooms and textbooks. It is about the promise of a better future. Yet, too many students face obstacles they shouldn't have to face: overcrowded classroom, outdated material, and limited access to the tools that prepare them for life. We need to get we need to strengthen our schools. We need to support our teachers who give so much of themselves to shape the next generation. We need to ensure that learning is not just memorization, but preparation for careers, for citizenship, and for lifelong growth.
Wala, hindi pa umuuwi. Seryoso sa buhay yan.
And most importantly, we need to make a decision education accessible and inclusive because every child accessible and inclusive because every child, every single one deserves the chance to shine. stronger communities. Number 3. A strong nation begins with strong communities. Every community deserves safe streets, clean surroundings, reliable transportation, and access to basic services. But beyond infrastructure, communities we need connection, opportunities for people to come together, to help each other, and to take pride where they live. This campaign is about restoring that sense of community. It's about building parks, libraries, youth center, and safe public spaces where families can gather and children can grow. It's supporting local programs that reduce crime not just through enforcement but through mentorship, education, and community engagement. A strong community is not built overnight. It is built through unity, cooperation, and shared responsibility. Affordable and accessible healthcare. No one should have to choose between paying bills and getting medical care. No parent should have to worry about whether their child can see a doctor. No elderly person be left behind in the system. They contribute to their whole lives. Healthcare must be accessible, affordable, and compassionate. We need to strengthen our health programs, support medical professionals, and invest in preventive care. When people are healthy, they work better, learn better, and live better. A society that values its people's health is a society prepared for progress. Honest, transparent, and accountable leadership. Number 5. This might be the most important priority of all. People deserve leaders who tell the truth. Even when it's hard, leaders who admit mistakes, who listen before they speak, and who not for personal gain, but for the public good. Too often, politics become a competition of egos instead of services to the people we need to change. We need leaders who show humility, leaders who respect the people they serve, and leaders who treat public office as responsibility, not a reward. This campaign is committed to transparency, honesty, and integrity because trust is not something you demand, it is something you earn.